today we are gonna be drawing some leopards.
All right, you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Let's do it. So we're gonna start right here at center. And I'm just gonna draw a mountain from here. It's gonna go up and over.
Right there?
That looks about center, about right there on that side. There you go. So start there and draw a mountain that just goes up and over. Up and down. Good. From that same spot, we're going to do the exact same thing the other way. It doesn't have to be perfect. Good. Do it the other way. See? Just go back to center right there and go the other way. Good. Perfect. All right. Now right here.
I'm sorry, what?
It's okay. I'm letting you do what you need to do. You're just trying to fix it and make it straighter?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Looks really good. All right. Right here at center again, we're just going to draw a little line starting on this side, and it's going to be a curved diagonal that just curves down. See how it goes from up to down? Good. Now on this side, we're just going to make a C. See, a C. Good, that's perfect.
See.
Then we're just going to connect these two lines.
These two lines.
Good. Now right next to it, over here, we're going to draw a little bit of a curved line. Looks a little bit like a smiley face. Nice. Now from here, I'm just going to draw a diagonal going up. Now we're just going to come back up here and we're going to curve it down and connect. That looks really good. All right, now right here, right between them, here's the 2 points. Right between them, his eyes are closed. So I'm just going to put a little U.
Okay.
Nice. Now we want to do one over on this side because this is the nose. We're coming to this side. We're going to do a matching U. Nice. You're like a pro. All right, over here we're going to make one more, just a little bit away from the nose. One more U over on this side. All right, so right here we're going to hop to the other side of the beak right here, and we're just going to make a skinny upside down V. Good. Now, I'm going to make a mountain right there.
Okay.
Perfect, dude. All right, now, I'm not going to start at the bottom of this line. I'm going to come up a little bit and start touching this line, and I'm going to make another mountain that comes up and over. Dude, that looks amazing. All right, now this line right here, we're going to actually make it keep going. So this line doesn't go straight down. It's going to keep curving, and it's going to come down nice and long. See how far down that came? And see how it still has a nice curve to it? So it just looks like it keeps going. Go for it. right there. Just keep it going like it's curving down and good. Awesome. Now let's come to the other side. From this side, we want to do similar to that side. We want to keep going, but it's going to be a little shorter. So it comes down and it stops. Okay, now we're going to give it a diagonal going up, just a short one. Good. From there, we're going to do a curved line that comes down and meets up with our friend down here. Love it. That looks great. Now we're coming over to this side. And now we're going to do the same thing. Pretend it keeps going, and then we're going to stop. It's about the same length as this side. Curve it back this way. Good. Now we're just going to do a little line up. Straight up. Good. And watch. From that point, I'm going to curve it over to meet up with this one. Perfect. That looks great. All right. From there, on this side, just a little bit up, we're just going to make a short line coming over. And then a straight line on the other side. These are straight, they're not curved. Straight. Good. So right underneath that, we're going to draw about the same length. We're going to draw another line that just comes straight across just below. So it looks like two lines. Perfect. Right here, we're going to draw a C.
Okay.
Good. Now we're going to draw from the bottom a small tiny U. And then we're going to do another small U and another small U. So you have three little tiny U's in a row. Perfect. Now up on top, we want to do the same thing. 1 mountain, 2 mountain, 3. Just about the same size, a little bigger. Next one, make the last one a little bigger. There. Okay, now watch. From the bottom to the top, we're just going to connect them with a curved line. 1, 2, 3. Three. There we go. All right, same thing on the other side. Now we're going to do a backward C. And we're going to start from the top of that C, and we're going to do 1 mountain, 2 mountain, 3 mountain. Try to make them about the same size as your other ones. Go ahead, 3 little mountains. And then on the bottom, but let's try to make them straight. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Now we're just going to connect, connect, and connect. Good. Okay. Now, same thing. We're going to do 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to do our U's. 1, 2, 3. And then we just connect.
3. 1, 2, 3.
Good. Connect them all. See how I connected them? 1, 2, 3. Good. Same thing on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Try to keep them straight. 2. Ooh, nice. Good. And on the bottom, connect them on their points. That looks great. Now, coming over here, just on the outside below, right where one of my mountains would have ended, I'm going to do a curved line that comes down just a little bit. Nice.
Nice.
And same thing at the bottom. Take it out. See, this is a stick and it's just going over. Stick or a branch. Good. Stop right there. And now we're just going to do a line going back and a line going out. Nice. Same thing on the other side. On the top, we're going to just curve it over and down. Curve it over and down. You don't even have to hesitate. You know what to do. And same thing, in and out. All right, now from up here, we want to keep this curve going, okay? So from right here, I'm going to keep this curve going, but I want to end right on top of that first mountain. So I'm going to come down to my mountain. Or you can start here and go up to there. That might be easier.
Can start here, go all the way up there.
Good. And then same thing on the other side. I'm going to start at this mountain and come over and up to that one. You can thicken it up to match. So now on this side, just go from this mountain and curve it up to that one. All right, now underneath, this is, do you notice it looks like a heart?
Yeah.
See, so we're making a heart.
That
So
looks like a heart too.
a little, it does. It looks like a second heart in the middle. You're right. We have two hearts. That is another heart right there. We have a heart here, okay? And we're going to come down on the bottom, and we're going to finish our heart, but not straight, okay? So we're going to bring this one in, and then we're going to bring this side in of our heart. It doesn't have to be perfect, but don't let them touch. And stop. And do the other side. Stop. From here, on this side, we're going to draw a line going straight up. Good. Then we're going to draw a line curving and coming down. Stop.
No touching.
Now we're going to draw a very long C, a very curved line coming up and touching. It is, it's a little curve of a C almost, but just take it from the bottom of it all the way up. Good. And then this bottom one, I'm just going to have it touch up with this friend. Can you believe that's it? All that's left is coloring. Although, I would like to add a couple little hearts to my lovebirds. Okay, sure. That's it. I'm only doing a couple. Good. I love it. All right, that looks awesome. Are you ready to color? Let's do it.
Alright guys, are you ready to are drawing.
3,
2.
1. Oh my gosh, these are too fun. And I love how colorful yours is. The hearts are too cute how they're rainbow. Thanks for joining us, guys. Hope your lovebirds turn out amazing. We'll see you guys again next time for another
How to draw.
How to Draw.